Hi guys, Mama Beach here. Thanks for joining me today. I want to tell you about this great new bag that I just picked up from Coach during their Mother's Day sale, and it is my Coach Denim Edie. If you did not watch the unboxing video I did of this, I will link it below and also up here somewhere so that you can go take a look if you want. I picked this up because I think their denim line is just killing it right now. It's so on trend, it's so well styled. I absolutely love everything in their denim line. I thought this bag would probably wear the best, which is why I picked it up. I actually am in love with the dinky from this collection, but I'm so worried about how a dinky would wear crossbody, rubbing against you all the time and also possibly rubbing against other jeans. I felt like it may fray or wear more. So the reason I picked up this one is I thought it would wear the best. And so that's what I want to say at the very beginning of this video is that is my concern. That is my concern from all the bags in this line, is that they're not going to wear well. So what I mean by wear is like fraying or holes, or, you know, think about a pair of jeans. I mean, everybody wears jeans, and what happens to them? They get worn, they get frayed, they rip, and I'm worried that this would do the same. So the other concern is staining, right? It's not leather, it doesn't wipe off. If I spill something on this, it's fabric, it's gonna stain. So somebody suggested using a fabric protectant on it, which is something I would definitely do, because God forbid you are klutz with a glass of red wine and you spill it all over this bag and it's just completely ruined because of that. So I would definitely use a fabric protectant, and I would just be conscious of how you're wearing it, what clothing you're wearing when you're wearing it, to try to avoid like dyes mixing or bleeding on one another. And also try not to put it somewhere on your body where it's going to be rubbing a whole lot, or if you are, just be conscious about it. So that being all said, I know I'm starting out with the negative, but I just want to throw it out there at the beginning of the video because I know I'm going to get questions about it. I think these bags are so cute. So I want to take you through this bag, particularly the features of it, pros and cons. I'll show you what it looks like on at the end so you know this general scale of the size and all that. So this is the Edie. This is the regular size Edie. I have had a bag similar to this before called a Lexi, and I had another one called a Phoebe. It's all kind of the same style. The Edie is the retail version, and you can see it has the three Coach's favorite setup, the three sections, right? So you have your middle zip area, and then you have your two side compartments, which I really like this setup. You guys know that, but I know a lot of people who don't like it, so just be aware that that's how this bag is set up. It is pretty lightweight because it is fabric. So you don't need to worry so much about the weight of it or that it's going to be super heavy because it's leather. What is leather are the side panels, which I think is so smart, because if a bag is going to wear, the place where it's going to wear the most is right here on the corner. So not only have they made this whole side panel leather where there's all this creasing and stuff going on, so they've kind of reinforced this area where I think you would have issues with wear here if it was denim. They've done the corners in leather, which is so smart, and I think it's the saving grace for this bag for me, is that you don't need to worry so much about the corners fraying out on this, which would definitely be the first place you would see problems if it was all denim. The other great thing they did is they gave us feet. Thank you, Coach. Yes, we need feet on our bags to protect our corners and the bottoms of our bags, and they've made the bottom panel leather. Also really smart, because if you're going to be setting this down somewhere, the bottom is what's going to pick up stains and dirt from setting it down. So not only do you have the feet there, you also have a leather panel on the bottom. So really the only part of this bag you need to worry about are the side panels, which I think is doable. I think I can manage to not panic and freak out, and just put a fabric protectant on the front and back panels and just use it and love it. And maybe as it wears, it would just look more awesome. Kind of like those worn jeans you have that have holes in them, but they look really cool and chic now. So the other features of this bag are, of course, the beautiful brass hardware with this yellow ochre stitching, which just looks so nice together. And then you have these like big leather pieces here attached to the straps, and the straps there too, which is great. They are thin, but they're flat on the underside, which is nice. And because there's two of them, you can really distribute the weight on your shoulder pretty well. So that's great. I think the strap situation is good. The weight of it isn't too much, like I said, because it's denim. So then you open it up and you get the surprise inside, which really seals the deal. This super cute floral fabric on the interior. Really nice little surprise opening it up. It's just a sweet detail. It's such a sweet bag. That's the word I want to use for it. It is so casual and so sweet and just so lovely. And that's why I think I'm drawn to it. It's a friendly bag. So let me show you what I have inside. You can see I have this thing filled up to the brim. Yes, I can tell you that an iPad fits, and it fits in sideways so you can keep it snapped. This is the 9.5-inch iPad Pro. It fits perfectly laying down, so that is good news. I also have in the back pocket here a really large size Longchamp pouch, and I have my really big glasses case. So it fits quite a bit in the back pocket. The front pocket, I have my umbrella, and I have another little pouch. And in this front area, there is a slip pocket. In the back area, there is a zip pocket. So you have some extra organization besides just the center compartment, which is nice. Now, the cool thing about Edie's is that they give you this turn lock on the zipper. So you can actually lock the zipper, which is nice if you're going traveling or somewhere where you're gonna need extra security and you wanna put your wallet and phone and valuables in the center compartment and lock it. It makes it a heck of a lot harder for someone to reach in your bag and grab stuff. So in the center, I have just my full-size wallet and a chapstick, hand sanitizer, car keys, small items. But you can see you still have that really sweet floral pattern on the middle section as well. So that is the grand tour of this bag and all the details. Let me do a couple of quick mod shots for you guys so you can see what it looks like on and know how big it is against the body. Okay guys, this is what it looks like on. You can see I'm super casual mom wear today. This is exactly how I would style this bag. Jean shorts, t-shirt, throw it on, going to the grocery store. This is a casual bag. I think it is gonna look great over the spring and summer months, especially if I find a nice charm to put on it and dress it up a little bit. But it's just it's a great casual bag. And I think because it's denim, it's super neutral. You could wear it with pretty much any color combination. And because it's fabric, it's super lightweight. So it feels really great on the arm. No weight issues whatsoever. You can really cinch it into the body because it is fabric. If you wanted to gain a little arm space here, because it's fabric, I think you could kind of train this to sag a little bit if you kept working on it so that you could have that kind of like smiled sag effect and get some more space here under the arm. Let me show you what it looks like on the arm, because I know some people like to carry their bags on their arm. And I think because this strap drop isn't super generous, the good thing is you can carry it on your arm, and I think it looks just fine. It's not hanging down super low, and I think the size is small enough that it doesn't look really like pendulous or anything. It looks good on the arm or on the shoulder. Okay, that is my Denim Edie. Great bag, definitely recommend it, especially if you're somebody who loves Coach, but you can't carry really heavy bags, so you miss out on the Rogues that everybody loves. The Rogue satchels, you're missing out on the Aces and those classic bags that people rave about. They're just so darn heavy. Go get yourself a nice denim bag. Honestly, I think it's super cute for spring and summer and even fall in this dark wash color. I mean, I feel like it translates across a lot of the seasons. And it's just a great casual bag. I really don't have a lot of cons to say besides that the wear issue scares me a little bit and the idea of staining scares me a little bit. But it doesn't scare me any more than like a suede bag, and I have suede bags. So I think I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna keep it, I'm gonna use it, I'm not gonna worry about it. And maybe as it ages, it will just look more and more fabulous. All right guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments or questions about this bag or about Coach's denim line, please leave them in the comments section below, and I'll try to answer any questions. I would love to hear any information you have about this line, or if you have one of these bags and you love it or hate it, definitely want to know. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, always open to it. So please feel free to leave those as well. below as well. All right, thank you for watching today, guys. Really appreciate your support here on YouTube. If you have not subscribed, I hope that you will. It's super easy and it's free. Just click the subscribe button right below this video and then hit the little bell so that you know when I post a new video. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.